the question, but I nakita ko si Ma'am Catalina. I met with her dun sa Foundation to Success. I'm really glad that we joined that event. Sa mga nakikinig dito na we're not able to join the FTS, it's transformational. I think kung may fee man yun, you save money. For the next FTS, you need to not miss that event. For me, it's very transformational. Yung mga nakikita natin sa Zoom ng mga speakers, si Ma'am Catalina, I was happy to meet her there. So it's nice to put faces, real faces. Minsan, kasi puro Zoom, di ba? Puro Zoom tayo. Maybe tips on how I achieve this. Technically, yung tip lang is you really need to become a real talk, no? You really need to engage with your uplines. So wala pa akong 1 year. I just started potentially mga around July, June, July or July. I'm with the group ni Sir Ram, nakausap ko si Sir Ram. And then si Miss General kasi nasa Manila din. So I am also a product ng mga inputs. I call them grandmasters of synergy. And of course, yung isa kong upline na grabe yung mag-support, no? So sometimes the inspirations are coming from your uplines. Knowing minsan we're at a loss. We don't know what to do kasi ako tulad nito, beginner ako. So walang iba kay Miss Mai Besares na kahit wala sa Philippines, grabe yung presence ni Miss Mai. Parang nandyan lagi sa na angel sa tabi mo. So what's the secret? What can be the potential secret? Pare-pareho lang tayo nag-start dito. I'd like to use this platform na you need, one thing that needs na matest sa inyo is your ability to work with your uplines. Diba? Yun yung parang, maybe that's one secret that kailangan nyo matry. This business is not an individual business. Siguro kaya may term na network, no? It's our ability to network, communicate, and work with the group. So I've worked with these great guys, Sir Ram, Miss General, and then si Miss Mai. Yan tatlo yung potentially are like my inspirations. Sila rin yung kinukulit ko. Maraming tanong. It's nice to ask questions. Bago yung questions maging negative, itanong nyo siya so they can help you clarify. Hindi perfect yung journey ko. Ang dami ko rin may mga na-encounter sa transactions, sa systems, but I think these guys are giving all their up, are giving their full power to support. So I think that's number one. Work with your team, and you need to understand your uplines kasi iba-iba sila ng power. Each uplines have different strengths. So hopefully you can leverage that. Si Sir Ram, ibang level eh. Pag si Sir Ram ang kasama mo, palaging close yung deal. Mahirap nga lang kunin yung time niya. Si Miss General understands the full cycle of the business. So marami siyang alam na pasikot-sikot. And if you also want to get inspired because si Miss Mai Besares, wala siya sa Pilipinas pero yung galawan niya pang grandmaster talaga. It's a very inspirational. So you need to start believing on your uplines. Kasi kung wala yung uplines at hindi nyo sila pinakikinggan, sino yung magiging kapartner nyo sa business? Okay, so upline, working with your uplines, I call them the grandmasters. Sometimes I even joke na si Sir Ram is the founder ng Synergy kasi siya lang yung nakita ko nag-author ng mga YouTube presentations and I'm grateful for that. Okay, maybe a second would be, what's the secret? How to do this? You need to calculate and always do math calculations. Actually, I have an Excel doing calculations on my potential network. Bubble charting, sa second tip, kasi you need to do the math. So Excel and then bubble chart. I know you've heard yung bubble chart, but the bubble chart defines yung mapa nyo. Okay? So magkaroon kayo ng idea on how to do bubble charting, the left and right. You need to understand that kasi kung hindi kayo marunong mag-bubble charting, it's very difficult also to move, di ba? Mag-improve. So maganda yan, naintindihan nyo kasi yung previous speaker natin, he's highlighting placement of your left and right. What's the secret to go up? it's not just to sell, but to identify in your maybe 6 months to 1 year, sino ba yung left ko? Sino yung right ko? Right? Pwede naman kayo din yung left and right, but of course, may limited investment lang tayo to become one, di ba? I think that's one thing that you need to work out eh. Kasi sa entire stay nyo sa UPS, if you have not found your right, left and right, I think it will become like a very long journey. So if you really want to work on that, yeah, you always talk to our upline, get inputs, but putting the left and right, doing your bubble chart, and doing the math will help you. Okay, why math? UPS to. Kasi syempre, if you have money, you can plant your own. Ikaw din yun. Dahil calculate mo magkano yung kinikita mo doon. Di ba? We cannot, real talk tayo, business to. Kailangan mo mag-calculate ng pera. Hindi siya pwedeng puros magic, puros feeling lang na we are going to do it. So yun yung magandang piece nun. The first one, relationship. Second, skill, which is calculating. You do your math. Kung wala kang computer, kung wala kang laptop, wala kang Excel, do your notebook. Kapag binili ko tong account na to at 18,998, magkano yun sa akin? So that's investment. May makukuha ka doon, then konti na lang. But if you sell the products, zero investment. Pero tumaas yung network tree mo, right? So kailangan, what I'm doing, whenever let's say, I buy my own account and then sell the product, babalik yung cash mo, pwede mo yung i-cycle. You can plant your own left and right. But pwedeng hybrid. Pero yung pinaka the best, you also have your own strong left and right. This is the irony. We have a lot of friends. Meron nga akong friend, ang dami niyang friends sa Facebook. Let's say 5,000, yung isa 7,000. Kung ma-exhaust nyo yun, wala kayong ma-convert, right? Wala kayong ma-convert na ma-member doon. I think we will start thinking, no, anong value rin pala ng network ko? Out of 7,000 friends, out of 6,000 friends, no one can support me. Then you need to start making new friends. So that, I think, yun yung pangatlo ko. So again, going back, one, relationship with your upline. Second, have the skill to do calculations. Kasi may secret dun eh. If you do calculations, you would know how much to invest. Then paano yung babalik? Pwede kang ikaw din yung initial left and right mo. Then the third one is, yun na yung power ng leveraging. So I'm very happy in a very short time. My friend Josephine Miller, he had been a good, I think nandun siya sa left wing, right? Initially, ang daming tanong ni Madam Josephine, right? As friend ko na yon, di ko masagot yung ibang tanong because I'm not also an expert. But you know, if you want to have a secret, but I don't want it to be secret kasi success tip yan eh. Dinala ko si Miss Josephine Miller sa FTS. That's the foundation to success. Gusto ko ikwento kasi ayaw niya nun, pero sabi ko, ililibre kita. Attend ka lang. Kasi ganun katindi yung commitment ko to really ma-onboard siya. Kasi susugal ka rin minsan eh, as an upline. But I'm not saying ilibre nyo lahat, no? But if it's a strategy, di ba? Sometimes sa business may risk eh, may sugal yan. So she was able to attend because I believe gusto kong mag-focus, gusto ko siyang maintindihan niya yung business. Yeah, some people will advise, wag mong ilibre. Dapat kusa sila. Yun nga, doon na yung difference natin kanya-kanya. When you do leveraging, you will also have your own hybrid of strategy. Okay? Marami nagsasalita, I completed my 21 days. Okay? The 21 days program, chinaga ko yun. I also am an employee right now. I'm working in a company. Talagang sacrifice yung 21 days. I even told my uplines, pero pare-pareho yung topic doon. But I realized, nagkaroon ng magic ang 5th, 6th, 7th day, that each speaker have their own magic. Same topic. 1, 2, dealers optimization. Because na-discuss na to, but what I've realized, yung magic, depende sa speaker yung mapipick up mo. Diba? One day, we will all become speaker. And one day, if I'll become a speaker, I'm gonna share also the good news. Diba? So iba-iba yung galing nila. It's up for us to pick, okay, mas nakaka-relate ako dito. Kasi kaya kong maging katulad niya, di ba? So, when you do leveraging, that's my third, di ba? Going back once, improve your relationship with upline. Second, you do your math. You cannot do your math. Hindi posibleng hindi ka nagka-calculate. Walang nagbi-business na hindi marunong sa math. Okay? So skill mo 'yun. Whether sir, wala akong notebook, ay wala akong laptop. Magsimula ka sa papel. Kailangan mong kina-calculate every time na magko-compute ka, mag-invest ka, magdagdag ka ng egg, I called it egg, yung mga ulo mo. You do the math. Pag binili ko tong account na to, babalik 2.5 o 1.5, right? Then, benta mo yung produkto mo. Balik na, zero investment na yan. That's why sometimes when may talk, wala ka talaga investment sa UPS because when you sold your products, libre na lang yung UPS. Right? Pero yun nga, that's our challenge. I don't want to discuss right now yung challenge. Then third, leverage. Ano yun? Yes, mayaman ka, ang dami mong accounts, binibili mo. That's not sustainable. And that's maybe pag sinunod mo yung formula na yun na hindi ka nagre-recruit, naubos yung pera mo, magiging negative person ka later. Kasi ang sasabihin mo, this business does not work. Magiging negative speaker ka. It will not work, di ba? I've seen someone posted sa Facebook, tinagot din yun ni Sir Ram, I don't know if it's still there, that this business doesn't work. Okay? So, when you do leveraging, you need to develop different strategies. Isang sample lang yun. If you have a strong eagle, you call it eagle, no? But one day, if I'll become the speaker, i-upgrade ko yung eagle to dragon. Dapat may mga dragon ka. Di ba? Mas malupit sa eagle yun. So, dapat may mga dragon ka that you are also taking care of. And don't look for these dragons na gagatasan mo lang. I think that's a wrong aspect. Real talk tayo doon. Do not recruit or leverage na ang message mo, pag nag-member na sila, yun na yun. Really teach them how to fish. Teach them the business, how they will generate income. Di ba? So, when I have my left wing, so thank you, Ms. Josephine Miller. Actually, hindi na ako, ito maganda, kapag napa-attend nyo ng Foundation to Success, hindi na kayo mahirapang mag-explain. Kasi nagtitinginan na lang kami doon with seatmate. Kasi the message of the Foundation to Success is more than UPS. It's talking about life. How to run business, how to run life, and diba, you're not forcing selling UPS. I think yung maganda sa FTS, if the people here join, yung mga hindi nagjo-join, you really need to attend that. I don't believe much on UPS when I started, but I really love learning. I've been asking my uplines, ano yung next training, ano yung malulupit na training, and then they told me, attend ka ng Foundation to Success. Sobrang sulit. That will answer 101 questions in your mind. Ang next mo lang talaga doon, actions. Okay, just let me know if I still have airtime, I can cut it out. So parang yun yung tatlo kong napipili, no, na gusto kong maging in this community. I want to share that if kaya ko, that, but what I have is not perfect, it may work and may not work to you. Pero maganda, i-share ko pa rin, di ba? Work with your uplines, that's number one. Second is, do your math. Hindi pa pwedeng mag-business nang walang calculations. Right? Please, what I told you, why math helped me. When I opened, kasi sa product ako, naklik ko sa Facebook, I attended the first presentation. Hindi ako convinced. Like you, marami dito hanggang ngayon di convinced. Hindi ako convinced. I just bought one product. Then after that, saka lang ako nagkaroon ng UPC. Ito, maganda tong story na to kung makukuha nyo. Bakit ako nag-UPC? Diba? Hindi nga ako expert sa UPS. Because I did the math. Ano yung math, sir? Kinalculate ko sa investment ko to magkano babalik. Let's say you invested maybe 190 or 200, then babalik sa'yo potentially, hindi ko na ma-recall, no? Parang maybe 20,000. Ano nyo sa mga uplines nyo kung paano ko kinalculate. It's their job. Work it out. Test your relationship. Ibig sabihin, pag bili mo pa lang ng UPC, may balik na sa'yo. Then if you convert all of those products, mapo-convert mo rin yun sa cash. Right? Ang tanong, Eh sir, kasi baka may pera ka. Actually, no. Product ako nang nangutang ako sa UPS. And the reason why ako nangutang, I don't want to miss that opportunity. Okay? Ito, sharing ko to. Recently, I just attended a leadership event. May mga nag invest doon. And one of the speakers said, ang pinaka-failure, okay? Ang pinaka-failure ng mga gustong mag-business o gustong mag-invest is the feeling na the opportunity is over. Wow. Very striking yun. Kasi marami sa atin, even me, but sharing is part of it. So that speaker is also sharing, a very good speaker. Sinasabi niya, marami sa atin, mag-i-invest ako pero baka may best na darating. That means another group than UPS, hindi mo i-invest ngayon. Sa sobrang perfection yung habol natin, you are missing, di ba? Tumagal, hindi ka na nakapag-invest hanggang nagalaw mo na yung pera. And then you've lost your energy, na-distract ka na. So, yun, sa mga nag-invest on to, when you do your math, kasi pwedeng ma-miss mo yung opportunity. I don't want to build a framework or structure na yung mga eggs ko, yung ulo ko nasa baba. Of course, ang gusto mo, nandun ka sa top chain, di ba? Because if you do your math and you understand yung mga lectures ng ating grandmasters, meron tinatawag na passive income, per layer umaakyat siya. If you do your math and you're doing your homework, dapat income mo yun, hindi income ng iba. Of course, may investment yun. Pero dun yung difference natin sa lahat. Dahil naintindihan mo, nag-calculate ka, dapat ako to. Main egg ko, ako din to. Di lahat yan i-income. Di ba? That's what convinced me to get the UPC. Okay? So again, yung third, leveraging. Because this business requires network. It's not an island business. Okay? So what's good thing, if you want to power up your leveraging, may secret si number one. If you have good relationships with your upline, they will help you build the number three, yung leveraging. And that's where the magic happens. Okay, so thank you so much. I'm not prepared. I don't even wear a formal clothes. At ang gulo ng background ko, but I don't want to miss this opportunity. For me, itong award na to may change, no, but I really want to share with the group. To be honest, when I talked to Sir Ram on our first meeting, a couple of days, we're actually meeting, hindi sa Zoom lang. Sabi ko sa kanya, Sir Ram, ang pangarap ko, kasi tinatanong ako ng why, ang gusto ko sana maging legacy ako sa Synergy or UPC na ako yung pinaka-batang maigsi lang yung time na naging millionaire. Siguro napapakamad sila Sir Ram and Ms. Jean, parang, sige sir, yan ang way mo. But when I entered here, I know it's not easy. But it's still in my heart. So parang, kaya eh. Di ba? When you remember the word impossible, I have a new definition for that. Put a space between I'm and then possible. It will become I am possible. Okay, so I think that's all, team. So thank you for the host, Sir Ram, Miss Jean, and Miss Mai. Thank you for giving me opportunity to be this platform for sharing. Thank you, guys. Good morning.